Looks like you're an all-rounder, Lavish.
I have worked with the corporate relationship. Hangout spot of every student of a university is its cafeteria.
DB in one word.
Challenging.
Source of motivation.
Money.
Describe your internship experience using one emoji. What would you do?
XD.
Describe your college life in one word.
Challenging.
Delhi.
Pollution.
Satyaniketan.
Food.
Friends.
College life.
Hello everyone. Welcome to the official YouTube channel of the Department of Business Economics at the University of Delhi. I am Shubhankar Chakravarti, and today we are back with Internship Stories 2.0, where we dive into the experiences and achievements of our students and this summer internship program. Today we have with us a very special guest, Lavish Jain, who interned at ICICI Bank. Hello Lavish, before we dive into your internship experience, we would like to know a little bit about you.
Hello Shubhankar. So to introduce me, my name is Lavish Jain and I hail from Patiala, Punjab. I've completed my graduation BSc Economics Honours from Dr. B.R. Ambedkar School of Economics, Bengaluru, and I have always been interested in economics, econometrics and these other things that have always been fascinated me. So I decided to pursue my career in MBA in Business Economics at Department of Business Economics, University of Delhi. That's one of the flagship course that is offered by Delhi University. Apart from this, I am also a sports player. I play table tennis. I have participated in many tournaments in table tennis, and I am also an NCC cadet. Talk about my skill set and the softwares that I typically am good with. They include Adobe Photoshop, Lightroom, Adobe Premiere, all those things.
Looks like you're an all-rounder, Lavish. So, can you tell us a little bit about the roles and responsibilities you has as an intern in ICICI Bank?
Thank you, Shubhankar, for taking up this question. So, talking about my internship at ICICI Bank, the main group that I was interning with was the retail banking group, and then in specific talking about it was the corporate salaries and relationships. That was the team that I was in. But I was fortunate enough to experience the banking from the 360-degree angle. So like I have worked with the corporate relationships, I have worked with the HNI relationships, I have worked with the primary and secondary data, I have worked with the credit risk team, I have worked with all of the aspects of the banking from front end and back end. So my guide and mentor have always been helpful in me to give new challenges and new opportunities to me throughout the banking experience. So my overall mix of 2 months have been a 360 round of what banking in India is.
So what would you say is your biggest takeaway from your internship at ICICI Bank?
So talking about the biggest takeaway, it would not be justified to say that a single takeaway was there that I took. So first takeaway was how the banking in India works. What are the challenges that are faced by banks, what are the different competitors and how the banks compete with each other. And in talking about journal of internship, the biggest takeaway is I have always been learning there to take up new challenges, to be hardworking and never get fear from anything that comes in front of you. So like I have never missed an opportunity there in my 2 months. I have taken up all the challenges that come up in 2 months, and I have always been working with my team as a core member of their team. Though I was an intern there, but I was working no less than any other full-time member of ICICI Bank.
So Lavish, since your internship experience can be an inspiration to students of DB, can you tell us how you prepared for your interview experience of the ICICI Bank and how you prepared for it?
Talking about my interview experience, so what ICICI Bank typically did at our campus was a CV shortlisting, followed by a GD session, followed by a personal interview. So it was all based on the what banking is and what current news in the banking is. GD, we were divided into groups of around 10-12 people. It was a good GD session that we had. We were into a very deep discussion there, and then based on our GD we were taken to next round, that was personal interview. My personal interview was taken by HR and it was also a technical round at the same time. So it was a good experience there. My interview lasted for around 25 minutes. What typically we had a discussion was what are the current affairs, what banking is, what ICICI is, and what the current rates about banking are, like interest rate, loan rates, and FD rates, and all those things. So a pro tip to the people who are preparing for interviews is, first, be ready with what the institution is. Read everything about your institution you are giving your interview. Second, be hands on with all the information that is related in the news in the past maybe 2-3 years, or the current news regarding your role and regarding your internship. So you need to be hands on with all those information if you want to crack a good interview.
Okay, let's circle back to DB. Lavish, can you tell us what specializations you have chosen and how that combination has been working for you?
So talking specifically, my combination in DB is analytics plus finance. So that's the flagship combination that's provided by DB, and it's a good combination which has all those aspects of the industry, and this combination have always been helped me to be hands on with what the industry demands, what the current industry is, what the current scenario is, and how to be ahead of others in this basically analytics and finance domain than other people. So this was what my combination specifically is.
Okay, Lavish, now can you tell us a little bit about how your experience as a DB student has helped you both professionally and personally, and how it has impacted your experience at the internship and how it has at ICICI Bank?
Yeah, thank you Shubhankar for taking up this. DB is one of those departments of Delhi University which offers a full-time 2-year MBA program which is filled with lot of opportunities, lot of challenges, and lot of learning. So my learning at DB has always been all-rounded with everything that's there. Our faculty is so helpful and so hardworking that we never miss an opportunity to learn what's going on in the market, what the new trends are, and what are the new tools that we have to learn. And to add on to this, our placement committee and our placement preparation department of the placement committee, this has been the best part to make us learn about what the corporate world is. Placement preparation team has always been sharing different materials so that we can learn a lot about the latest innovations and trends. And to talking about all this, DB has always helped us in taking up new challenges.
Lastly, a bonus question for you, Lavish. What are your favorite hangout spots in and around campus?
So talking about it, the favorite hangout spot of every student of a university is its cafeteria. Cafeteria, samosa and tea is something no one can skip. And secondly, talking about, there's a market nearby, Satya Niketan. There are many restaurants there. QD's has the best momos out there. Cafe Sandoz, and then Mom and Momos, and then others. So there are many places. Once you reach University of Delhi, you will see a lot of food joints nearby.
I have been to Satya and I can confirm that they have the best momos. So Lavish, we would like to end with a fun rapid fire. So I will ask you some questions and you would answer whatever comes to your mind in the first. So the first question is, describe DB in one word.
Challenging.
So what is your source of motivation?
Money.
So if you had to describe your internship experience using one emoji, what would you do?
XD.
So can you describe your college life in one word?
Challenging.
What comes to your mind when I say Delhi?
Pollution.
Satya Niketan?
Food.
Friends?
College life.
Thank you so much for taking your time out and sharing your internship experience. I'm sure it would be helpful to the future batches. So please share this with your friends and family, and we would be back with more episodes of internship stories. Thank you.